Welcome to another CAMFive EMB video. This time, we'll tell you the reasons to change your needles. All the materials used in your CAMFive EMB embroidery machine are made with the greatest quality in the market, but the daily usage of them will demand some spares, especially on the needles. The needles has many reasons to be replaced, and here are some of them. The next example will tell you that it's time to replace your needles. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content of the CAMFive EMB machines.